Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use ChatGPT Study Mode. If you're using ChatGPT and you want to use study mode of ChatGPT, so let's see how can you do that. The first way is that you have to open up your browser and here simply search for ChatGPT and you can get study mode here. Here you will get the study option. You must have to tap on it and your study mode will be enabled. So you can easily use study mode here, but if you want to use it on your applications, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are on the latest version of your ChatGPT. So open up your App Store or Google Play Store and here you have to search for ChatGPT and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here. If you are on the latest version, so you have to go ahead to your ChatGPT application and from here you have to simply tap on this plus icon here and here you'll get study and the learn option. You have to tap on it and your study mode will be available enabled. You can easily use study mode here. So in this way you can easily use ChatGPT study mode in any of your Android, iPhone, or it might be on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.